In the heart of the wilderness, where rivers carve their ancient paths and forests whisper their secrets, life endures in countless forms. The air is thick with stories of survival, of adaptation, of creatures both great and small. Here, every rustle in the undergrowth, every ripple upon the water speaks to the timeless struggle of existence. This landscape, untamed and eternal, has given rise to predators and prey, to hunters and wanderers alike. Yet among them all, one species stands apart, remarkable not for its ferocity, nor for its cunning, but for its boundless spirit. The Labrador, nature's greatest creation. A creature of loyalty and exuberance, whose instincts echo the wild, yet whose heart beats in harmony with humankind. Though nature has sculpted countless strategies for survival, few are as ingenious as the Labradors. In this cultivated clearing, what humans call the backyard, he embarks upon his daily foraging ritual. Every morsel is treated as treasure. Each sniff, each paw step, a calculation in the eternal quest for sustenance. But survival is not merely about nourishment. It is about play, endurance, and the honing of instinct. A simple ball becomes prey. A chase across the lawn, a test of agility. Here, in the domesticated wild, the Labrador thrives, his exuberance as vital as the air he breathes. Even the most resilient of creatures must adapt to changing environments. For the Labrador, survival is not confined to rivers and forests. Within human dwellings, he demonstrates a remarkable versatility. Here, energy is conserved with precision. Hours of stillness are not idleness, but strategy, reserves stored for the challenges that lie ahead. Every gesture, no matter how small, speaks to a deeper instinct. A twitch of the paw, a flicker of the eye, remind us of the wild ancestry that courses through his veins. Even in the heart of human territory, the Labrador remains vigilant, ever attuned, ever prepared, for he can never be certain when the letter carrier could strike. Alas, despite his ability to adapt to the domesticated realm, it is here, in the remote wilderness, the Labrador reveals his truest nature. Every scent upon the wind is a message, every ripple in the river a challenge. He moves with purpose, guided by instincts honed over millennia. From grass to water, from play to pause, the wilderness endures within him still. Beside the vessel that carries humankind into the wild, the Labrador lingers. He is both companion and explorer, a creature whose spirit bridges the worlds of nature and man. Here at the edge of the river, instinct and loyalty converge, reminding us why he endures as nature's greatest creation.